Okay.
It's heavy.
Is it heavy? I'm sorry. You gonna open it, Timmy?
No.
It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What is it?
It's a movie.
It's a movie. Is it a movie?
It's a movie about Lorax.
What? Yes, it is a movie like Lorax. What is it, though? What? Hey, Hey.
I think hold it.
you can't hold it. What is it, Timmy? What you got? SpongeBob! Yay! Okay, here's your other one. Just, okay, you open it. That was a big one, huh? You did it! Yay! It's okay.
It's not Lorax somehow.
It's not Lorax in there? It's not a movie this time?
Papa.
Is it SpongeBob? Let's see. Open it up.
That's sticky.
Is it sticky? He wants you to help him, Anderson. Can you help him? Open the paper. Rip the paper, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, you can do it. Open it. Rip that paper. Rip the paper. Come on. You can do it. Come on, you boys can do it. Rip it. Oh, you're singing so pretty, but you gotta open the present. Help him open it. Oh. Here, look. There. Rip it open. Yeah, rip it open. Keep ripping. Keep ripping. Open it. Rip it. Rip it. Keep going. Keep going, boys. Rip it open. Keep going. You almost have it. Pull it out of there. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Ah, there you go. What is it? You did it. What is it? Look, look. What's in there? What is it? It's yours, yes. Miss Christie made that for you. For your birthday. It does. Yay! Happy birthday, Timmy!